Passive voice. The cat chased the mouse. The mouse was chased by the cat. She baked a delicious cake. A delicious cake was baked by her. We are watching a movie. A movie is being watched. They have built a new bridge. A new bridge has been built. The gardener waters the plants every morning. The plants are watered by the gardener every morning. Someone stole my bike. My bike was stolen. The chef cooked a tasty meal. A tasty meal was cooked by the chef. We will finish the project tomorrow. The project will be finished tomorrow. The mechanic fixed my car yesterday. My car was fixed by my mechanic yesterday. The storm damaged the roof. The roof was damaged by the storm. I have cleaned the entire house. The entire house has been cleaned by me. The teacher will assign homework. Homework will be assigned by the teacher. My uncle painted the fence last week. The fence was painted by my uncle last week. They have already booked the tickets. The tickets have already been booked by them. The team won the championship. The championship was won by the team. We can fix the computer issue. The computer issue can be fixed by us. They invited us to the party. We were invited to the party by them. We should recycle plastic bottles. Plastic bottles should be recycled. She gave me a beautiful gift for my birthday. A beautiful gift was given to me for my birthday. He can solve the problem easily. The problem can be solved easily. The company is launching a new product next month. A new product is being launched by the company next month. Someone cleaned the classroom after the party. The classroom was cleaned after the party. They are preparing a surprise for their parents. A surprise is being prepared for their parents by them. The gardener is trimming the bushes. The bushes are being trimmed by the gardener. The kids have drawn colorful pictures. Colorful pictures have been drawn by the kids.